Hello dear students, welcome to geography class, chapter number 1. So actually it is chapter number 2, okay. Chapter number 2, land, rocks and minerals. It's a class 7th. Part 2. In previous part 1, we have completed some difficult words. And today I am explaining means that continuing next spellings difficult words. See you student. So next spelling is there here. Extremely. Extremely. So we know that. अत्यंत. And next one, basalt, आधार. So next spelling is there, coarse, स्फटिकशिले. स्फटिकशिले. Chemical. Chemical. रासायनिक. Chemical means what? रासायनिकम. Composition. संयोजने. Composition. संयोजने. टेक्सचुओ. रचने. टेक्सचर means what? रचने. igneous. ಬೆಂಕಿಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿದ. ಬೆಂಕಿಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿದ. Okay student, so next spelling, metaformic. Metaformic, रूपांतर. रूपांतर. Sedimentary. Sedimentary, संचित शिले. संचित शिले. इंट्रूसिव. इंट्रूसिव. ಗೊಂದಲಮಯ. ಗೊಂದಲಮಯ. एक्सट्रूसिव. एक्सट्रूसिव. ಹೊರಹಾಕುವ. ಹೊರಹಾಕುವ. magma. ಶಿಲಾಪಾಕ. lava. ಶಿಲಾರಸ. Okay student, listen here. Today's first spelling, extremely. Extremely, spell it student. EX TR EM ELY. Extremely. Extremely means अत्यंत. Extremely means अत्यंत. So next spelling, basalt. Spell it. BASALT. Basalt. Basalt means आधार. Basalt means what? Adhara. So next one, quartz. Q-U-A-R-T-Z. Quartz. Quartz means Spatika Shile. Quartz means what? Spatika Shile. Okay. Shile means what? Stone that. Okay. So next one, chemical. Pronounce it. C-H-E-M-I-C-A-L. Chemical. Chemical means Rasayanikam. Chemicals means what's it? Rasayanikam. And next one, composition. Spell it. C-O-M-P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N. Composition. Composition means Sanyojane. Composition means what's right? Sanyojane. So next one, texture. T-E-X-T-U-R-E. Texture. Texture means Rachane. Texture means what? Rachane. And next one, igneous. Spell it. I-G-N-E-O-U-S. Igneous. Igneous means ಬೆಂಕಿಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿದ. Igneous means what? ಬೆಂಕಿಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿದ. Next spelling, metaformic. Metaformic, spell it. M-E-T-A-P-H-A-R-M-I-C. Metaformic. Metaformic means Rupantara. Metaformic means Rupantara. Next one, sedimentary. S-E-D-I-M-E-N-T-A-R-Y. Sedimentary. Sedimentary means Sanchita Shile. Sedimentary means what? Sanchita Shile. Next one, intrusive. I-N-T-R-U-S-I-V-E. Intrusive. Intrusive means Gondalamaya. Intrusive means what? Gondalamaya. Next one, extrusive. Extrusive. Spell it. E-X-T-R-U-S-I-V-E. Extrusive means ಹೊರಹಾಕುವ. It means what? ಹೊರಹಾಕುವ. So next spelling, magma. Spell it. M-A-G-M-A. Magma. Magma means Shilapaka. Magma means what? Shilapaka. So next spelling, lava. L-A-V-A. Lava. Lava means Shilarasa. Lava means what? Shilarasa. So once again I repeating these whole spellings. Extremely, atyanta, basalt, adhara, ಶಿಲೆ, ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕ, ಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆ, ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಚುವೋ ರಚನೆ, ಇಗ್ನಿಯಸ್ ಬೆಂಕಿಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿದ, ಮೆಟಾಫಾರ್ಮಿಕ್ ರೂಪಾಂತರ, ಸೆಡಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಸಂಚಿತ ಶಿಲೆ, ಇಂಟ್ರೂಸಿವ್ ಗೊಂದಲಮಯ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಸಿವ್ ಹೊರಹಾಕುವ, ಮಾಗ್ಮಾ ಶಿಲಾಪಾಕ, lava ಶಿಲಾರಸ. So today's spellings, these all are there. So once again I repeating this only spellings this. So you should be right, you practice it more and more, you practice these all spellings. So I am telling you write it 5 times. In 5 times it's not coming in these all spellings. You should be practice many times. You should be write these all spellings up to 20 times, 30 times, 40 times, 50 times. So when that spelling perfect, then you go next spelling. So this like you practice it these all spellings. See a student, today's spellings are there here. Extremely, basalt, coarse, chemical, composition, textual, igneous, metamorphic, sedimentary, intrusive, extrusive, magma and lava. So today's spelling are there. You should be right many times and practice it these all spellings. So you should be right each and every spelling write 10 times. When completing these whole spellings 10 times, afterwards you send it your homework in my WhatsApp number. So today's part, so part 2, difficult words and its meanings in Kannada completed. And next class I am continuing in next period. Thank you.